Alright, I got here, I'm not sure if it's a 2015 or a 17 Camry. Customer complaint is it's a crank no start and the battery's dead. Alright, let's see what we got. I don't see a crank. Do I see a security light? That's right here. I guess it wouldn't crank on a push start without a security light. Alright, let's scan it, see what we got. I'm gonna have to hook a maintainer up to this. I'm using the Mucar, the 892BT Pro. Let's see what we got. It's a 2017. It's a V6. I didn't even know they made that in 2017. It's a V6 Camry. I'm having a booster on. I have to switch to maintainer because the battery is really, really dead. Just want to see if there's any codes. Now they said they sprayed it brake clean and they might have gotten to start a little bit. They weren't sure. So here I'm just going to check fuel pressure first. Let me just do a scan. Alright, let's go into the ECM and just see if there's any data put for fuel pressure. I don't think on the Camrys there is. Unless the later model that has a high pressure fuel pump. I don't think the 17 does, the 18 does. Yeah, this is a regular 3.5. Let's see, live data. Fuel pump duty. But while we're here, let's also get mass airflow and crank speed, RPM. Alright, so we got the math 450 grams a second at 0. Let me just graph this all. And I want to see the RPM. Yeah, we got engine speed. The fuel pump duty cycles at 90. It's like trying to start. The mass airflow is working. I'm going to check fuel pressure. So this one's a little more difficult because it's a 3.5 liter. It's like I got to get it from under here. A lot of times I just pull the throttle off. It's right here. Let me see if I can get this off. Okay, I was able to get the clamp off. It might be easier just to pull the throttle. This is in my way. Okay, I got that out. Question is if I can fit my fuel pressure gauge. The fuel does not smell like good fuel. Does this tank full? I don't know, the fuel smells really weird. It's like sticky, the fuel. Let's see if I can get this on. All right, this got to come off. Okay. Now, all right, so I got that on. Let me get this on. We'll put this guy back on. All right, let's see if we got fuel pressure now. I really want to get a fuel sample because this fuel did not feel good. Oh, I left the battery on the whole time, so booster pack's gonna be dead. All right, let's see. Yeah, so we do have 50 pounds of fuel pressure, and it's not starting. Now, I gotta get a fuel sample of this. I'm pretty sure it's bad fuel. I need a clean cup. Let me go get a clean cup. Yeah, this feels disgusting. I gotta crank it while I'm doing that. It's like sticky and gross. It probably clogged up all the injectors if I had to guess. You know, I could just do it with, let me just turn the fuel pump on. I'll just bi-directional control the fuel pump. Actuator test. Fuel pump. We'll put it on 80%. We'll get a cup. I don't know what this is, but it's not fuel. Alright, let's shut this off. Okay, this is what came out of it. This is clearly bad fuel. Alright, I'm going to bring you back in a minute. I'm just going to go show the shop. Alright, we'll do the highly scientific gas test. You see the oil in it. Now it's going to burn, but it's not burning like gas. Gas burns much harder and faster. And watch, when it finishes, you'll see there'll be a lot of liquid still on the floor. You see that? You can see the oil bubbling inside of it. Yep, this is just bad gas. I'll do a comparison. He has regular gas. But you see how wet this is? It's just oil left over. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's gonna evaporate really quickly, guys. There we go. You see how that's a lot harder? Look at all the pieces that are coming to the top of this. But you see this stain right here is way less. It's like dry totally here. This is totally wet. This is just bad gas. All right, thanks for watching.